Hello, YouTube. Break is across over 20 states into midweek. Well, a severe weather outbreak across 20 states into midweek is bringing nighttime tornado danger. Well, of course, you might have noticed that. A major severe weather outbreak is expected to peak midweek with hundreds of severe storm reports possible across nearly 24 states, from the plains to the Appalachians and the Gulf Coast. And while fewer than 3 dozen severe weather incidents were recorded from Louisiana to Tennessee and Georgia Monday, they were just the start of an outbreak that will expand, shift, and continue through Wednesday, into Thursday evening before fading away. Peak impacts are forecast going into tonight, which includes severe weather and tornado potential for major metro areas, including Chicago, Dallas, Oklahoma City, St. Louis, Indianapolis, Cleveland, and Kansas City, Missouri. The severe weather risk will extend into the night in some communities, and there's the potential for a few tornadoes to be strong and on the ground for more than a few minutes. A multi-day severe weather outbreak last week claimed several lives Friday and produced one of the earliest strong tornadoes in decades in Michigan. In Oklahoma, after dark last Thursday, a mother and daughter were killed as they encountered a tornado on the road. Residents and visitors and people passing through the region from Texas to southeastern Nebraska, eastward to the zone from New York State to northern Florida, are strongly urged to take the severe weather seriously and closely monitor the situation, including during the nighttime hours. And while within this zone are two high-risk areas where numerous severe thunderstorms are likely, one across portions of Illinois, Missouri, and Iowa, and another over central Texas. The severe weather and tornado threat into tonight includes the major metro areas of Chicago, Dallas, Oklahoma City, St. Louis, Indianapolis, Cleveland, and Kansas City, Missouri. Some communities hit by tornadoes last week are again in the threat zone. Storms may cross major highways, increasing travel risks. Because nighttime tornadoes can be difficult to see, closely monitoring weather alerts is essential. The severe weather threat zone from Wednesday to Wednesday night stretches from Texas and Louisiana to parts of New York and much of Pennsylvania. All severe weather modes will be possible Wednesday, including damaging winds, large hail, flash flooding, and several tornadoes. Major metro areas that may experience severe weather include Houston, San Antonio, Nashville, Pittsburgh, New Orleans, Atlanta, and Columbus, Ohio. On Thursday, the severe weather risk will extend from the Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida panhandles to the Interstate 95 corridor from northeastern Florida to Virginia, including parts of the Delmarva Peninsula. The overall tornado threat may have diminished by Thursday, but thunderstorms are still likely to locally damaging wind gusts, hail, and torrential downpours. Motorists are urged to never drive across flooded roads, as water may be rising rapidly or deeper than it appears, and the road surface beneath may have been washed away. Lightning is one of the most underestimated dangers in thunderstorms. Last year, in 2025, 20 people were killed by lightning in the United States, according to the National Weather Service. Dozens more are struck and survive annually, but may sustain serious injuries. Experts urge people to move indoors at the first rumble of thunder. Vehicles with hard tops and substantial buildings offer protection from lightning, but golf carts, picnic pavilions, and canopies do not. Well, that does it for today. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you liked what you saw, click like or subscribe below.